Shake your head, yes.
Oh, Lord. So give what they asking for.
What's up, guys? It is the next day, and we are prepping for the festivities tonight. So, she's judging me as you probably can tell. But we done used all my air I had in me to blow these up. Just give y'all an overshot got so far. Cuz over here stocking the bags. Happy Halloween. And what's the other bag say? Happy Halloween. Mm-hmm. Save me a bag of the bone. Yeah, what? Take it from one of the kids. Should we try that now? Yeah, let's try that now. Let's wash out. Mm-hmm. I'm gonna show y'all some more decor that we got so far. We got beware, keep out. Your mama, when she put the oranges on the counter, it fell over. This is what the windows are looking like. Lisa on the ones and twos, on the ones and twos. Yeah. I'll check in with you guys when you start that baking. We are going to be making some Jello Frankenstein cups. Why? When the brands start coming at me, sponsorships and stuff, because we're going to get sponsors. What did he say? He get paper towel.
You said, ooh,
She
let
gonna
me get a
YouTube.
paper towel.
I was like, ooh, I need a paper towel, but y'all remember these from yesterday? Mm-hmm. That's good, because I may come back. Say I can. You say I can come back, though.
What you asked for?
Now later. That's what we're going to treat it like, okay? Mm-hmm.
But you eat now, you don't come back to it.
Now later, they in the pack. You got to keep opening.
But you sit there eat the whole pack.
There you go. You got 2 or 3. You have now later. Man, these fried. These need to be with some dip. I'll practice one. Knock me out. This one looks better. Look at that one, guys. You look good though. Shake your head, yes. Yeah, that looks better. Show some of my artistic skills. Let's go, my boy. Yeah. You see him? That look raw. I am thirsty right now. Say hi to my cousin. We been we about to get a little dippy dip. Look at Blue. Look, what's Blue? Bingo. Say hi, Bingo. Bingo, say hi.
It's in my bag.
You talking to the people? So what does that mean? Anybody who watch, you want to show me your tail?
You're also sitting okay.
You cute. Let me see you do your dance. Like that. Who stirred this up?
You should use that cookie.
Who stirred it up?
You know?
Just put it right on now, like cream cheese. Oh, give them what they asking for. Okay. The angel has come into the building. Hey to the angel. Thumbnail. You got a screenshot later. You're supposed to, TT's supposed to spread it out. Hey, how it taste? Tastes okay? That mean it's good. Make your kids on focus. You real focused, TT.
Cause when I eat this, I'm gonna be good.
She wanna be good.
I like the pumpkins.
Oh, this is good lighting right here.
That's why the swamp
Look at the
is
table, y'all.
closing in.
She did her thing.
They call it reform, but it's really a Supreme Court coup. They want to pass.
All right, y'all ready to play the game? Whatever the game is called, poke the cup. Okay? Who wants to be the first person to come up? What's the poke it so you can break the thing?
That's the wrong one. That's
Take the cup. He's out. Bring the cup. What you did? He did. He sounded me like a stuff. That's what you want. All right. You want famous high. Okay, somebody else turn. All right, next contestant is Janaya. Let's go. You got to poke the cup.
Janaya, pour a cup before I can write chocolate.
Poke it.
Poke it
Try to take the window out. She got a toy in.
You gotta show it to
Gummies. She said, "Show the snack." Back. Oh Lord. I'm gonna go back and delete. Look, you get my. Oh, she's trying to go back. She said, "Okay, all right. What's inside?" Take it out.
No, John.
Ooh, what did you get? Some gummies. Wait, you got to get her. Mama gonna say, I'm about to come bite the snack. Okay.
What if it's fly?
Ooh, you got a bracelet? Ooh. All right. She said, I don't need this.
Should I give me some gummy bears?
What's the back of my eyes? She took it like, I don't want it. That's all this is. That's it. Look, come on down. Like, she wants to play my eyes.
Kids are gonna play my What's all it look like? We got some balls.
Oh my God. I'm deleting it. About, I got some balls. I mean, I got some Who's that? What is that? What's inside? She got a bracelet. And what's that? Eraser. An eraser. Oh, what's it? What's in there?
You got some.
Oh, let's see what you got. Ooh. So what you got? She got some money. See.
It'd be funny if I gotta get $1,000.
Oh, she got a ball. Ball in the ring.
Ooh, you got money.
Uh-oh. Let's see what you got, Jalea. What's that? Look. What you get? What's that right there? A ball in? Some money.
Money!
Uh-oh. Look at you. What you get? You got some money and some gummies.
I got $2.
Let's see what you gonna get, Demi.
Everybody getting
Let's
dollars.
see. Ooh. You got a bracelet? Let's see what you get, Ivy. Gummies. Yay! You gotta show it. at her face. She's so serious. Hey. Your turn. Toss it. Go ahead. And 3, 2, 1. Yay! Ready to be another turn. Here. Toss. Yay! You get to take 2 things out. You want a ring, a bracelet, or the eyeballs? You cheating. Go back to mine. You all tall and stuff. All right. Oh, you guys got home. Yes, she did.
No, I didn't.
I'm just kidding, guys.
Right, but you twerk.
I'm short. He's trying to get the go birds back up.
You can do it, baby mama.
Come on. You can do it, Brucey.
You better not.
She's so thirsty. She's breathing off.
No.
Don't be mad at them. Come on.
Do it count?
No.
You like this? Try again. 3, 2, 1. Throw it. Oh man. You gotta pick him up. Yeah, I hope somebody gets